FTRC stands for Fire Training Research Center, and we put that R in there because we wanted to be more than just a training center. We wanted to evolve and set new standards for the fire service industry.
We've had firefighters from 29 different states and from 24 different countries around the world.
It really is the premier place for people to come and learn about aircraft rescue firefighting.
All right, everybody, today we're going to be talking about aircraft.
The high-tech classroom evolved as a way that we can have more collaboration and coordination in the instructional environment. The innovation in this classroom prepares our firefighters to be better firefighters out in the real world.
One flying.
DFW had come to us to kind of reinvent how firefighters are trained. And for us, we look at that as an opportunity. Chief McKinney was very easy to work with because he would bring us ideas and then we would kind of iterate around those.
Early on, what I knew that we had to do was get beyond just projectors and whiteboards and PowerPoints.
What we did is we took that idea of, what is the next generation classroom really look like, and eventually came up with what is the classroom today, which is this suite of software applications using this very innovative touchscreen hardware.
Well, the classroom involves a couple different system components. It involves a video wall. It measures about 10 feet by 5.5 feet tall.
The workstations themselves were very impressive. They lend themselves to have up to 4 people per workstation, fully interactive between each workstation, and then also fully interactive with the large display screen itself.
So a lot of people are kind of surprised by the things that an aircraft firefighter is actually responsible for knowing. So markings, lightings, what kind of aircraft are approaching, what kind of vehicles are you going to need to look out for. A single firefighter could shut an airport down without adequate knowledge.
The crown jewels of the suite of applications have got to be the familiarization apps. It's hard to say, hey, on Tuesday, I want to be able to get on an A380. You're at the maintenance schedule mercy or what's coming in. With this app, you now just walk into the classroom and you're on it.
This method, I think, just trumps PowerPoint hands down. You're actually able to enter the cockpit, toggle all of the switches. You're able to push the battery buttons, and you're able to discharge the extinguishers for the APU.
The user can drive directly through this real three-dimensional environment without having anything get in the way.
Oftentimes, the firefighter will need to know how to read the lights and the markings at night. So we give them the ability to go from a day setting to a night setting.
One of the highlights of the high-tech classroom is that it allows our students, the firefighters, to gain confidence in their preparation of actual emergencies.
One of the pop quiz questions.
We're already getting feedback that students are recognizing the light structures, the runway signs. It's already kind of speeding up the recognition process.
When fire chiefs around the world hear about what's happening here at DFW Airport, they are floored.
The team put together an amazing, amazing system, exactly what the fire department wanted. And I think that showed with how they used it and how excited they were. It's not very often, in our business that you get to directly have an impact on somebody's ability to save somebody's life, but here we are doing that. We are training firefighters so that they can learn information that will save somebody's life one day.